This could very well be the best way you can make money through social media. What's going on YouTube? Matt Johnston coming at you guys with a quick video on how you can make $100 a day at least with Snapchat influencers. You know, this is a method that's not really been put out there as far as getting influencers to promote products, because most people are using Instagram, which is great, but you know, it could get very competitive with the other people that are using this as their traffic source. But I'm going to show you guys how you can actually contact and find the right influencers through Snapchat. And these are the 3 tips that I have, and I will show you guys step by step on my phone on how to actually acquire these influencers to promote your affiliate offer. So first step is contacting influencers in your niche. The second one is negotiating the price. Make sure you are you're spending wisely. Make sure you're not getting gypped out of your money, and make sure you guys have the leverage when you are contacting these influencers. And then the third thing is testing the offer. As you can see, send screenshots of the results maybe on the first day. Show them how many people are viewing the story. And yeah, guys, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on my phone. So I will see you soon. All right, what's going on, guys? So the first thing you want to do is download this app called Ghost Codes. This is an app I use to find the influencers for the affiliate product that I'm promoting. As you can see, there's a ton of different niches, categories for different influencers. These are all the highest people that are in their niche, and we are going to go to categories. I'm going to give you a quick example on a quick category that you can choose from. So for example, we can use the travel niche, and these are all the people that are pretty popular, well-known people in their niche. So you can contact 10 to 20 people in each category for the product that you are promoting or more. For example, we can click this guy, Dakota Adan, and as you can see, he's a pretty well-known guy. Dancer for Britney Spears, adventure, earth lover, kudo returner. So yeah, the next step you want to do is actually look him up on Instagram. So go to your Instagram, type his name in. Let's see, that's Tanner Fox, Dakota Adan, boom. And as you can see, he is who he says he is. He has 88,000 followers. So the next thing you want to do is, as you can see, he doesn't have his business profile turned on, so we can just send him a DM. If they don't have an email, you could just send him a DM. But the more practical way of going about this is sending them an email, because these people get hundreds of DMs a day for people that are commenting on their stories, commenting on their posts, whatever. So we are just going to send him a quick DM. So this is what I send people. Hey Dakota, love what you are doing. Would love to collab. I sell products in the travel niche. How much are your rates for a Snapchat paid post? Thank you and have a great day. Bam. And you can just keep sending these DMs or emails to as many influencers as you can, and just get a targeted group of people and find the best one that fits your affiliate product. So yeah, it's a pretty simple method to use, but not a lot of people are actually using this method. Most people are using Instagram. So yeah, guys, that's essentially what you have to do to find the influencers. Depending on your price range or your budget, make sure you guys are finding the appropriate influencer for your niche. The more followers they have, the more money you're probably going to have to spend to work with them. Yeah, so that's pretty much what you guys have to do when it comes to negotiating with influencers. Depending on your budget, you could spend around like I'd probably spend like no more than $10 with that influencer for a Snapchat post. It's a pretty simple process. Just tell them to use your affiliate link in their Snapchat post, and then tell them to send you screenshots based on the results that you get in the first day. So I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. And yeah, guys, have a great day.